Hi everyone, welcome to Real Estate Virtual Assistant Basic Training for Newbies Group. My name is Cha and this will be our first topic. So, we will discuss about the skills we should have to become a real estate virtual assistant. But before we start, I just have a disclaimer here. I am not an expert. I will just share my knowledge and experience as a real estate virtual assistant, and please feel free to give your thoughts about each and every topic. If you want to add something that I've missed, feel free to shout it out. We can share our best practices here, don't worry. And again, I am not an expert. So let's go ahead and start. First, communication skills. You should know how to communicate in English language and able to handle a phone call, handling objections and irate customers. So, since the common tasks of being a real estate VA is cold calling or outbound calls, communication skills is very crucial. But don't worry if you're not that fluent kasi same lang naman tayo. All we need to do is to practice, and yung mga bagay na kailangan natin i-focus na i-practice is yung pronunciation, tone of voice, downward and upward inflections. So yun yung mga importante. Then the second one is computer literate. So it should be easy for you to adapt different software tools, and you can type at least 25 words per minute. So you don't have to be a tech savvy naman. You should know how to use computers and other software tools. So I think that this will be very easy for you, especially if you're an ex BPO call center agent. So it will be easy. And since we're living in a digital world, I know that most of you have this skill, but if not, don't worry. I know that you just need to practice and explore, and you'll get there. Okay. Then the third one is web research. So knows how to find ways using a web or internet browser. For me, I believed we all have this skill. We know how to do research. Siguro mas need na lang ng deeper way on researching. You should know the right keyword to use. And why is it important? So, since we're working remotely, hindi natin kasama yung mga bosses and teammates natin. So, we have to work on on our own. So, if ever di sila available to answer your question, you have to find an answer to that on your own para hindi natin sila kailangan antayin bago mo masolusyonan yung tasks mo. So, that's why it's really important. Then the last is data entry. Know how to use Google Sheets, Excel file, or other online database and project management tools. So for this one, you just need to familiarize yourself on this too. Like what I said, you have to practice and explore. And I will upload some topics about how to use Google Workspace and other project management tools. But for now, let's just focus here. Bakit ba importante ang skill na 'to? It's because as a real estate VA, one of your tasks is to keep your records on track, especially yung mga leads or sellers na natatawagan or nakukuhanan niyo ng um, details. So pag-uusapan din natin 'yan in the future. So, yes, that's all for the required skills you should have. See you on the next slide.